Happy Tuesday, week 6 of our fat loss phase. If you're new here, my name is Elizabeth, also known as Ninjabeauti. If you haven't watched any of my other videos, I've started an 8-week fat loss journey. I'm trying to lose about 10 pounds is what my journey is and what I'm doing for the 8 weeks. If you want to see changes I did, what exercises selection I chose, and what food I'm eating as well, supplements, stick around for that. Right now, it is 7:37 in the morning on Tuesday, week 6. We're heading to the gym. Today is going to be push day. That's going to be shoulders, chest, and triceps. Come along, get that workout done. I am doing more egg whites now, down to 1 whole egg and 3 egg whites for my breakfast. I kind of got stuck with 3, 4, and 5 were exactly the same. There wasn't a lot of change in my measurements. There wasn't a lot of change in my weight. In my progress pictures, I didn't notice too much of a difference. So I am reducing about 100 calories, and I'm taking those from my carbs and my fats, still keeping my protein intake high. Stick around to the end and see how my week 6 went. I locked my keys in the car. So I had to take an Uber from the gym to the house and call my insurance and get roadside assistance. My wallet, my purse, everything is in there. That's fun. Anyways, welcome to Tuesday. Check these out. If you like edamame, these are a great little snack to have. It comes in 3 different flavors, so sea salt, sriracha, and buffalo. And each of these have their own calorie breakdown. So this one is a sea salt. This has 100 calories, 2 grams of carbs, and 11 grams of protein. I've had the sea salt and the sriracha. So far out of the 2, I like the sriracha better. The sriracha has 117 calories, 3 net carbs, 11 grams of protein. The buffalo is also really good. It's a little bit higher in calories. This one is 122 calories, 3 grams of carbs, and then 11 grams of protein. Happy Wednesday. You know the drill. We're going to get our workout drink going and heading to the gym. It is 7:27 in the morning and we're about to hit leg day today. So it is Wednesday. I'm doing it 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Let's get our drink ready. Good morning, happy Thursday. 7:30 in the morning, we got our drink made and we are headed to the gym. Today is back and biceps. Week 6, I've been feeling good at the gym, been hitting pretty much all my workouts. Not super strong because of course this week, the last few weeks of the program, I am actually adding some more reps, less rest, and more sets as well. I'm increasing the volume a little bit, so the weight has come down just a bit. I'm still hitting everything. I did adjust my macros as well because I did hit a plateau. I feel the difference because I'm feeling more hungry at the end of the day. I'm really hungry. And it's good to feel hunger because you know that your body is going to react to that. But be very cautious and be very careful of overeating. It's okay to feel hungry. Just keep going with a mentality of day by day. Just look at today. Don't even think about tomorrow. Don't think about we have 2 more weeks to go. Think about what I have to do today. What are my goals for today? What are my macros that I need to hit for today? And focus on that. That's what's been helping me get through each day because I really felt it. that I've been hungry at the end of the day, and I'm like, oh my God, I'm so hungry. But I have been going to bed earlier too at 10 p.m. That has helped, making sure that I'm not overeating late at night and I'm getting my full 8 hours of sleep. Happy Sunday, end of week 6. We're about to do our measurements. I just got up not too long ago, took Bonbon for his walk, ready for the gym, and I'm about to take my weight. So let's do it together. It goes to 0. 119, you guys. So I've lost 1 more pound. Yay! But losing that extra pound was difficult. I needed to adjust my macros at minus 100 more calories, and I'm gonna stick to that until again I hit a plateau, and then we'll readjust and evaluate once we get there. I'll do my measurements after the gym and my progress pictures as well, so stay tuned for that. Today has pretty much been just about cardio and core. I did about 30 minutes on the stair climber, did intervals between going at a slow speed, about 2 to 3, and then bumping it up to about an 11 every minute, a minute on, a minute off. I am going to start meal prepping. I'm gonna do some cauliflower. I have some chicken breast I'm going to marinate and cook, so at least that lasts me for the next 2 to 3 days. And then I'm also gonna be doing some grilled bell pepper, and I might do the Brussels sprouts as well, since we are gonna have the oven going. Sundays are usually my meal prep days, just so I can get at least 1 to 2 days in there where I don't have to think about what I need to cook or what I need to eat. I have my protein source and my carb source and fat source already taken care of. I have it cooked already and to go, so I don't have to worry about that during the weekdays. And then I'm gonna try to at least do another 30 to 40 minutes on the walking pad that I just got. And it has been super hot here in Florida lately. Just going outside even at an 8:30, 8:40 in the evening has been really hot still. I decided to buy a walking pad. I have no excuse to get my steps in while I'm inside the house. It doesn't take a lot of space, and I'll be getting my steps in. I'll be doing that while we watch a show later on. That's about it for my Sunday, you guys. Sundays are my grocery and meal prep days. Also, on another note, I am going to cut my hair and add highlights, as your girl has got some grays coming in. Comes with my genetics. My dad was going gray very young. Pass that along to me. Stay tuned for that. But let's go ahead and get cooking. We have the pan of the sweet potato. I don't add anything extra. I don't add olive oil or nothing like that. I like how they taste because they're sweet enough as it is. To go in the oven.